How to check SSD and HDD speed in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu. Then type CMD in the search box. Now right-click on the command prompt under the best match. Then select Run as Administrator from the menu. If you don't run it as administrator permission, then this method will not work. After appearing command prompt window, we will be using the command winset-disk. This command provides information about sequential read and write speeds of your drives. Now type the command winset disk and press enter. Now it will check your C drive. My C drive is SSD, so it's calculating my SSD's read and write speed. After giving the final result, the command will display the sequential read and write speeds for the specified drive. You see metrics like sequential read Mbps and sequential write Mbps. Now if you want to check your external hard drive like HDD, type winset disk minus drive E. Drive E is my external hard drive. If your drive is different letter, then replace E with the drive letter you want to test. Then press enter. After that, it will display the HDD's read and write speed. Now if you want to check USB flash drive speed, type winset disk minus drive J. Drive J is my USB flash drive. If your flash drive is different letter, then replace J with the drive letter you want to test. Then press enter. This test may take some time. After complete the test, it will display the USB flash drive read and write speed. So that's how you can check SSD, HDD and USB flash drive speed in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.